my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial inspired by Hailee Steinfeld's Most Girls music video. That music video was released last summer, and I'm just getting around to recreating one of her makeup looks from that video, and I'm super sorry about that. I planned on doing this tutorial a little bit earlier, but sometimes life just gets crazy, and sometimes you just end up doing things later than you planned. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first shadow that I'm going to use is just that soft tan shadow from my Sephora palette. And I'm just going to be going in back and forth motions like windshield wipers on a car. And this is just going to be my transition shade, and I'm going to apply that straight into my crease using those motions. So now I'm going to take that soft chocolatey brown color, and I'm just going to sweep that across my lid as my lid color. And I'm going to use the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to apply it straight to my eyelid. This is a really pretty, simple, and subtle, soft brown eyeshadow look, and I feel like you guys can make this work for every day. Even though I am recreating something from a music video, I feel like this is just a really pretty, everyday makeup look that you guys could wear for whatever occasion you guys wanted to. This definitely is not overdone at all. So now I'm going to take a clean eyeshadow brush with nothing on it, and I'm just going to help blend those two shadows together so that way it doesn't look so harsh and everything is all blended and it looks just like one big blended beautiful creation. So now I'm going to use that dark brown color, and I'm just going to apply that straight to my outer corner and into my outer crease. I'm just going to use a tiny bit of this eyeshadow into those corners of my eyes because I really just felt like this eye look was missing something, so I decided to add just a little bit of that dark brown color to my outer corner just to kind of help give this look a little bit more of definition and just kind of help it make just look a little bit more darker. So now I'm going to take that same eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to blend everything together once again and just kind of help it look not so dark and harsh. And I'm actually going to hold my eye half closed so that way I can really see my eye and I can really see my crease and I can really see what I'm blending. It really helps to not completely close your eye. So now I'm going to curl my eyelashes using my e.l.f. eyelash curler. And then I'm just going to use my L'Oreal mascara. This is the Lash Paradise mascara, and I love this mascara. It's my favorite mascara ever. And this does an amazing job at really lengthening and separating my lashes and just really giving them that false eyelash look without having to use false lashes. Now I'm going to use that bronzer from my Sephora palette, and I'm just going to take the e.l.f. angled up blush brush and apply my bronzer straight to my cheekbones, the lower parts of my cheekbones, just to kind of give my skin just a little bit of a bronze since it is winter and I'm very, very pale at the moment. So now I'm going to use that rosy blush, and I'm just going to use the pink blush brush from that same pink Amazon set that the eyeshadow brushes came from, and I'm just going to dab this very, very lightly onto the apples of my cheeks, just to kind of give me just a little bit of a rosy flush. And then I'm just going to take that white highlighter from my e.l.f. highlighting palette, and I'm just going to use the e.l.f. highlighting brush to apply it. And I'm just going to apply the highlighter to the tops of my cheeks and into my temples. This is just a very nice and subtle highlight. It gives you such a good subtle glow. I really do like it. And then I'm just going to apply the rest of it to the center of my nose. So now I'm going to use my Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Blush. And this is just a really pretty mauvey pink color. And this is very spot on to what Hailee was wearing in the music video. It is literally the exact same color. And now I'm just going to put my NARS lip pencil. I forgot what shade this is in, but this is very, very used up. And I'm just going to put that over the top of the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color, just to kind of make it just a little bit more darker and a little bit more mauvier. And we are done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.